This is AI Network News, baby, where the talent is fake, but the news is real.
Whether you're deploying a single support bot for a startup or scaling intelligent agents across continents, BotPress delivers infrastructure freedom on your terms. Start with BotPress Cloud, a fully managed zero-ops environment where your agents are hosted, monitored, and scaled automatically. Real-time analytics, automatic updates, seamless LLM integration. Your AI agents stay fast, always on, and enterprise-ready without touching a line of DevOps. And for those who demand control, welcome to on-premise deployment. Install BotPress on your own servers using Docker, Kubernetes, or raw VMs, connected to your internal systems and behind your firewall. With support for PostgreSQL, Redis, and horizontal scaling, you can launch agents across regions, load balanced traffic, and maintain high availability under any workload. Collaborate securely. Every instance includes role-based access control, multi-environment versioning, and environment variable configuration, keeping development agile and governance strong. Whether in the cloud, on-prem, or a hybrid of both, BotPress was designed to scale with your ambitions. And when traffic spikes, you don't worry. You monitor, optimize, and grow. From prototype to production, from local to global, BotPress meets you at your scale, at your speed. Coming up next, let's talk cost. What does it really take to run powerful AI agents?